voice at the top is like a beautiful, perfectly cut piece of crystal. It's
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berjumpa kembali di channel Suport Musik Dalam. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga semua dalam keadaan baik dan sehat selalu. Oke guys, di video kali ini kita akan melihat dua reaktor cantik asal luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan salah satu dari reaktor ini adalah seorang vokal ya guys ya. Oke, seperti apakah keseruan dari reaksi mereka? Langsung saja kita gaskan.
It's a new year, which means new me, new hair, new bangs, new everything. Today we are reacting to Putri Ariani featuring what I think is Dwiki Darmawan. I pray I'm saying that right.
Today I'm super excited over the rainbow, which also is one of my favorite songs to sing myself. I grew up singing that song. I'm very excited to hear their rendition. Any longer, let's do it. Here we go.
Cover yang satu ini memang sangat bikin geleng-geleng kepala ya guys ya. Suara Putri mulai masuk ya guys.
Goodness, so this to me featured Kate because of the top end. It just really cut through, and man, was that appropriate. She is such a master. Her
Ooh, way up high. Am I seeing that Putri has a podcast? Is that what am I understanding that to be correct? On the TV, there's a pop-up of her, and then it says like the Putri podcast.
That I heard of once in a lullaby.
Her voice at the top is like a beautiful, perfectly cut piece of crystal. It's just clear, and yet all the different facets just sparkle. And perfect job.
Vokal yang sempurna katanya guys ya.
Woo! That was gorgeous. Why is she being so playful with this? I love it. Lullaby. Like, oh, I've never heard like people switching in and out of like keys and notes and things like that on this. Like, she's being so playful and it's gorgeous.
Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue.
Opening up the sound to give permission to that top end to just float and flutter and do its thing. It's so beautiful. Really, for those of you who are choir directors out there, I mean, you need to be studying Voctave.
In the dreams, but you dare to dream.
Dare to dream. Like, girl, what? This is the remix, the R&B remix that we didn't know we needed. Putri, this is my favorite version of the song. I just said it. I put it down.
Really do come true.
Penuh dengan skill ya guys ya.
Someday I wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me.
Not just masters at their entrances and exits, their cutoffs, which is hard enough, honestly. It's difficult enough, but they are such masters at the creativity of arrangement. I mean, the harmonies in there.
Where troubles melt like lemon drops away above the chimney tops. That's where you find me.
Of course she hits that. They are the perfect duo. Are you kidding me? The way he just and brought it back up.
Sampai terpelong aja.
I mean, you really, if you're not a musician, it's hard to appreciate, I know, but like the amount of music theory that's in that piece is impressive. And all you hear is just, oh, it's just so beautiful. It cures my depression. It makes me feel amazing. But there are reasons for that. There are technical reasons for that. And
Bluebirds fly. Birds fly over the rainbow.
R&B.
Then I can't die.
She sings like she is singing. She sounds like she's singing a Mariah Carey love song. Like the R&B that's in this right now, like that good old 90s R&B in her tone.
Birds
Terasa
fly
sekali guys ya.
over the rainbow. Why then I can't die. Yay! On the weekend.
Luar biasa ya guys ya.
so good. Okay, so many good things, and you know it's hard for me to like stop in the middle, so I didn't. But
She knew she did that. She was like, whoo, at the end. When you say whoo to your own self, you know you did something. Favorite rendition I've ever heard of that song. Like the tone and the kiss of R&B in her tone on that.
like the birds are singing, the sun is shining, and I'm feeling great. They're doing that on purpose. Like that arrangement is made to move and make you moved as well. And I love the cohesive. Let's see, it seems most featured, but
Without flaw. She's so, my baby's crying. She's so talented. All right, y'all, I hope everyone is having a good start to their 2024. Make sure you are subscribed, like this video, share it, comment, do whatever you want with it, and go and have the day you deserve.
Oke guys, demikianlah tadi video reaksi dari para reaktor luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan sampai bertemu kembali di video-video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.